Hello, I am Craig Tingle of Tingle Law Firm, and I want to thank you for tuning in and taking a few moments to learn about Florida small business law. Owning a small business can be a simple or complex matter depending on how your business is structured and the goods or services you offer. Regardless of how easy or hard it may seem in practice, there is a myriad of legal issues to consider as a small business owner in Florida. For business owners in Florida, it is important to understand state and federal laws and know how to proceed when a legal issue develops. I have the small business legal knowledge and skill you need to create and operate your business. Florida buy, sell, and buyout agreements. As an owner of a startup business, you will want to consider the possibility of leaving your business in the future and to prepare accordingly. A common method to do this is to create a buy, sell, or buyout agreement which protects the business in the event of an owner's departure. The agreement is made between the owners of a business and details the purchase of a departing owner's interest by the remaining owners. Buy-sell agreements are often used in a family business where there may be multiple generations of business owners or the possibility of divorce. The agreement can ensure that there is a smooth transfer of ownership to the successors. It also helps to reduce the friction a divorce may create for the business, especially if a divorced owner would threaten the welfare of the business. A buy-sell agreement can also protect the business from an owner's bankruptcy. Under a buy-sell agreement, the business can be protected from asset liquidation to pay for a bankrupt owner's debts. The bankrupt owner would sell their shares to the co-owners and dedicate the resulting profits towards the paying of their debts. The type of business you choose for your company will affect you and your co-owners, if any, from financial and tax liability. There are several major types of business structures, each with its unique advantages and disadvantages. Some types, such as partnerships and LLCs, have subclassifications as well. You should consult with a small business attorney to determine which structure suits your business needs. The primary types of business structures you can create in Florida include corporations. This is often the most complex of the structures. Owners are called shareholders. There are S corporations and C corporations. Usually, small businesses select the S corporation because of the pass-through taxation. Shareholders possess very limited liability because the corporation is considered a legal entity with its own liability separate from its owners and operators. Partnerships. These are structures in which two or more people share ownership and liability. There are 4 partnership substructures: general, limited, limited liability, and professional. Generally, each attribute ownership and liability differently. Limited liability corporations. These structures seek to combine the beneficial aspects of a partnership pass-through taxation and an S corporation's limited liability treatment. There is also a professional limited liability corporation, or PLLC as they are called. Sole proprietorships. This is the most basic business structure and occurs in the absence of business formation. There are no pass-through tax benefits or deductions, and there is unlimited liability for the sole proprietor or proprietors. You, of course, want to avoid this structure. Can an attorney help your business? A small business owner should get legal assistance with legal matters, as they can ruin a business if mishandled or ignored. Lease negotiations, contract formations, lawsuit avoidance, defense, or pursuit are best dealt with before the problem becomes too large. If you believe you need further legal advice, please feel free to contact me at Tingle & Associates PA at embarkmail.com or by calling 850-650-8138 or visit our website at www.tinglelawfirmdestin.com. I look forward to meeting with you.